number 2 video.
Is this part 2 or your same video?
Part 2. No, part 2 video, yes.
Okay, so we just made the turn from where the mirror is back there, babe.
I did.
You're right at like 2 foot. Now you're back up to 3 foot. It got shallow
4, 5,
right here,
yeah.
5 foot. This is where it gets 5, and it gets 6 and even 7 foot in here. Off this point right here, close to there, it was really shallow over there. I'm wondering if we stay more. Now look, it's going back down to 3 too. There's just a hole in the freaking ground. This is 2.5, down to 2. Do I see if it's more this way?
I don't think
I
so.
don't think so. It's 2 foot. I remember last time always hugging that side over there.
Yeah, me too. Why is so much funk in just that tiny area over there?
Water like swirling. Yeah, it's 1.9, 2 foot here. 1.7, 2 foot. Sure it's not deeper over here?
Can try 2.3, 2.4. Maybe it's deeper. No.
3 foot? Yes, it is.
Yeah,
5
when
foot?
when we came here, we did this, and then
You
we
had to,
passed,
from there you got to
and
slide
then we
over and
slide.
across. 12 foot. 13 foot. So you come from there, you come around the corner and go this way.
Oop, the girl have a
fish.
fishy.
$13
2 feet.
Now to 2 foot. 2, 2, 2, 1. You have to go. We check over here, see whether it's better. Yeah, it goes back up to 3 foot. 4 foot. Jesus. How the hell are you supposed to remember this wiggle waggle?
Okay, well.
So basically at the point of every one, you got to switch sides.
Okay, well.
So